Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to download video from Instagram. First of all, you need to find the Reels video you want. After that, you click on the button, Share, and click on Copy Link. We copy the link to our video. Then we can exit the application. And now we go to the browser. I go to Safari, and in the search you will need to find a site called Snapinsta. Just type in that word, and under the first link you select Instagram Reels Downloader. You click. Now in this line you paste the link, and you click download. After that, you wait a couple seconds. You see our video, which you just downloaded, and click download video. Close it. Allow the device to download this file. Now we can go to our downloads, and we see our video among this list. Click on it. Now to add it to the gallery, click on Share, and click on Save Video. Now we can exit here, and open our gallery. Go through. Open the album. As you can see, the video downloaded to our device without any problems. Now you can send that video and upload it to the stories. As you can see, this is a very easy and fast way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye.